Hey everybody, it's Neil. Welcome to my kitchen. I have not shaved in a very long time, but check this out. I got this here. This is a headache and migraine relief cap. It's heavy, so what it is if you've seen these things, I've seen the ads for them, it goes over your head and stuff and it lets you stay cold and makes you feel better. So we're gonna see how this thing works and see how it is. So let's check this out. This is what it comes in. It comes like this with a Ziploc bag. Interesting. So here we go. So it's like a little neoprene thing here. It's got the weight to it, and it's already cold because it was outside. So I figured I don't need to put it in the freezer. But let's see how this thing works. So it goes like this. Oh my gosh! Oh, that does feel good. I can totally see how this would be really nice. Oh man, it's nice and cold on my whole head. Okay, so this is like amazing. Or you could just wear it like this if you want to. But I kind of liked it up there like that. That was good. And it's really stretchy, so I have a decent sized head, but you could make it for a big head. So this is really cool. So this is the Relief Expert. So I'm totally giving this thing a 2 thumbs up, man. That felt great. So that's it, pretty easy unboxing of this. This is what the box looks like. And thumbs up for me. Links in the description so you guys can pick one of these up for yourself. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon. Thanks, bye.